Hey guys, Joey here with Joe's RV Tech DIY. Today we're working on a Dometic RV refrigerator, and we're going to remove the eyebrow board on this one. Needs to be replaced. So the first thing you want to do is disconnect all power from this, 120 volts and 12 volts DC, and make sure there is no power present when you perform this job. So this video is for educational purposes only. So if you do it yourself, you're going to want to research, open up the manual, and take a look at the procedure. But this is more of a video on, a lot of people get stuck just trying to take this physical piece off here that holds the eyebrow board. And in each corner of this thing, it has a little tab. And that little tab is right there. Inside there's a hole right here on this bracket. And you just push up on both sides. And then it just pops out. Now that the eyebrow board is popped out, I can go ahead and adjust my camera here. You can see that this eyebrow board is held on by these little tabs here all around it. And then this little plastic retainer clip that they put on, I just slide it to the side like that. So a lot of these you can just press just like I just did there. When you come down to the end here, same thing. Top side, same thing. And it pops right out. So then all you have to do, and you can do this before you pop it out, but I like to do it after in case I drop it, is disconnect the actual wiring from the eyebrow board itself. You want to be careful not to pull the wires out of the pan because you're going to reuse it. So then what you have left is just the eyebrow board itself. So as you can see, there's a circuit board on the back here, and then a plug right there that you would plug into. So your new one will look something like this. But you want to match yours with your model number and serial number of your RV. And sometimes we can't stress the serial number enough because it can be a more advanced version that the serial number is later on in production. You may get the wrong eyebrow board. So whoever you buy it from, be sure to give them your model number and your serial number. I'll post a link below where there will be some products that you guys can purchase online if you know which one you need. So you know, when you go to put the new one on, you just reverse the process. So, okay, here we go. So we're going to hold the wire, just like so. And then we're going to plug it back into the eyebrow board. And then you see how it's upside down? We'll turn it around. And we're just going to pop it back into place. Snap, snap, snap. And it should be flush. Nice and smooth. And then tuck the wire up inside it. You're going to make sure those tabs go above these metal brackets in the corner. And just give it a push and it snaps right into place. So there you have it. I hope this video is good enough for you guys. I'm by myself doing this video, and I used a little tripod mount. It's my first time using the tripod mount. So if you guys want me to remake it with a helper, I can definitely do that. So until next time, be sure to subscribe, like the video, share the video, comment below if you have any questions. And I appreciate each and every one of you that watches our videos. And safe travels out there. And if you would like to see something else done in one of our videos, by all means comment below. We'd love to make a video for you. Thanks for watching. Safe travels.